Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a backup of your website in Hostinger. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. And from this welcoming page, look for the hosting section and click on this manage button next to the web hosting plan you have your website on. This is your dashboard page, and now from this left side menu, scroll down to Files and select Backups. As you can see, you have multiple backup and restore options, and the one that you can use to create a new backup is to go with Generate a new backup. Click on this select button. A new window pops up. Let's read it. We will start generating a new backup of your current files and databases. Keep in mind you can only generate one new backup in 24 hours. Click on proceed. As you see, they are creating copies of your current website files and databases. This can take up to a few hours. This depends on how big your website. The bigger your website, the more time they require, or they require to create your backup. After just a minute or less than a minute, my website or my new backup was generated successfully. Now, how to download this backup file or files to your computer? It's simple. Click on this select button below Files Backup. As you can see, you can download or restore website file backups. Click on this select button. Here you can select the date of your backup. This is exactly 7 p.m. and 9 minutes. So this is the latest backup I've just created on demand. This was an automated one, and this is the one I've just created. Let's download it, or let's select it. Click on next step. Now select the website files you want to download. I will select all files this way and scroll down to download all files. They are getting backups ready for downloading. It can take a few minutes. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Backup for this date has finished preparing. Your backup was prepared. Click the download backup to initiate the download. This is my website backup downloading. Now let's download the database backup. Click on this select button. Click on show databases, or exactly show dates. Make sure to select the proper database backup, select it and click on download. Download file is currently being prepared. They are now preparing my database backup to be downloading. Click on download backup. A new window opens up. And since the database file is small, it was automatically or instantly downloaded. and the backup or the website files backup takes 8 minutes, around 7 minutes to be completed. Now that the download is completed, let's locate this file in my computer. As you can see, both files or both downloaded files are compressed. To decompress them, you need to have a software or an decompressing software like WinRAR or RAR extractor for Mac. I will go with this default software, and this is the SQL file or the database file. Let's decompress the files backup. This is the one, and this is my website, and this is the public HTML folder that have all my website files. And this is how to create a backup of your website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.